Hi, I'm here to show you just how simple it is to turn any screen into digital signage using an Amazon Signage Stick and Arreya. Let's jump right in. The Signage Stick does require power and the power cord is included. Just plug it into a nearby outlet. Next, use the included HDMI adapter to connect the stick to the back of the screen. The setup steps should display if HDMI input is correct. Then connect to a Wi-Fi network and enter a password. When an Amazon pairing code pops up on the screen, it's ready. Now let's link the Signage Stick to your Amazon account. On a computer or phone, sign into your Amazon account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. In the Signage Manager, select Add Sticks. Enter the pairing code that's displayed on your screen. When the Signage Stick logo appears on the screen, it's paired. Now it's time to launch Arreya from the menu. Find and select Arreya as the CMS provider. Then click the Add Stick button. When an Arreya pairing code shows up on your screen, you're ready. Now for the final step, pairing the Signage Stick to an Arreya subscription. On a computer, log in to your Arreya subscription. From the top menu bar, select Devices. Below the map on the right, click the green Pair Device button. All that's left is to name your device and enter the pairing code shown on your screen. And there you go. Digital signage content is now live. Make instant updates to your screen in just seconds, or plan ahead and schedule next week's events. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating amazing digital signage with Arreya. If you would like assistance or have questions on the Amazon Signage Stick, please contact support@arreya.com or call our support team at 319-294-6671.